Guys, today I'm gonna show you the maximum capacity for each drying cycle in dryer LG RC. So the first one is cotton eco and normal cotton, and it's maximum 8 or 9 kilograms. The mix it's 4 kilograms, synthetics also 4, the beds it's 2.5 kilo, the towels 4.5. The same is anti-allergic. The next one is delicate, and in the delicate there we have a 1.5 kilogram. The wool 1 kilogram, sport clothes 2 kilograms. The quick 30 minutes is 1 kilogram. The cleaning on the stand it's also 1 kilogram, and the warm air is also it's a maximum, so 8 kilograms. And sorry, the drying on the stand it's also 8 kilograms. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.